In today's video, we're going to do an upgrade to our Camco Rhino Portable Holding Tank. Let's see what's in the box. Let's see what's in the box. What's in the box? Right, honey? Okay. What do we have here? I don't need those. Okay, there it is. It's a third wheel kit for the tank, which we're going to install. Just straight off the bat, taking it out of the box, is they changed the design a little bit. They now have these spring clips on the wheels here. I'll show you. Right here, basically a snap ring, because that was one of the issues with these in the past. On the older units, they put a different type of retainer on the wheels and they were falling off from some of the reviews, and it looks like mine have the newer ones too, so that's a good thing. So we're going to remove this plate here, and we're going to install the third wheel. Okay, now we get rid of that. Alright, what we're going to do now is we're going to install the third wheel assembly. With the 5/16 bolts that they graciously provided. They already have Loctite installed on them. Alright, so that's installed. Just a little side note, Camco gives you the Allen wrench. Not the best Allen wrench in the world, but it gets the job done. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to install the handle. Okay, so that's how it should look. Get the nylon washers in there, one on each side, and then I'm going to tighten this up. Key is not over tighten it. Okay, so we're going to tighten the tow bar up now. They're both, the bolt and the nut are 9/16. So. That's good right there. So it also comes with a optional ladder rack, which I'm not going to be installing, but this gives you the ability to hang it from the ladder. In my case, I don't need it, so we're going to leave it off. So this is what the final install looks like. Basically, it spins all the way around, and then when you want to stow it or transport it, you can put it in there like that. And there we go. Should make life a lot easier transporting down to the dump station. So there you go. It's a pretty simple install. It took me all of it maybe 10 minutes. And it's heavy duty. So we should see how it works. We'll be putting it to the test, and I'll do a review on it in a couple months. See how it holds up when we take it out west. Overall, I'm pretty happy with anything that Camco makes. All their stuff, we use several of their items. We weren't paid or sponsored or anything to do this video. It's just an item I saw, and I figured I would try it out to make my life easier with transporting. Now you don't have to pick the tank up when it's full. You can just pull it out to your Jeep or a tote or whatever you're going to use to pull down to the dump station. Sometimes we even use our electric bikes and drive it down there and dump it. So thanks for watching this video, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video. What are you looking at? You gotta look at me.
I'm looking at you.
Today's video, we're gonna do an upgrade to our 28-gallon Camco Rhino. What is this thing called again?
Portable holding tank?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
In today's video, we're gonna do a little upgrade to our Camco Rhino 28-gallon portable holding tank. Let's try that again. Cut. See how I can do this. Whoops. Okay. It's gonna piss me off.